Welcome. I got an email a few weeks ago, and it was from a customer, a woman in this particular case, who said she'd been watching everything for a long time. And she said she's finally ready to sew. Yay! So she said to me, I need the simplest pattern you have. She wanted a top, the simplest top pattern you have. And so as I thought and thought and thought, and it didn't take that long, I decided that this was the easiest top pattern we have. Number 323, Elle's Shirred Cowl Top. Elie was the original designer on this particular pattern. I had bought the top, I'd worn it, I loved it, I loved how it felt, I loved everything about it. It went seasoned, it went all year round, it was terrific. So in telling her that, I really wanted to find a modern day version of this to make sure it was still on trend and in style and all of those things. And so sure enough, I went for Elie new spring line. And this picture popped up. Brand new, beautiful, look at the price, look at how much. It takes 2 yards of fabric. It takes 1 yard if you're doing it sleeveless, but I love the look this gave. Fresh, clean, gold. I had a sequin fabric. I used fabric number 7368. 7368. There's so many fabrics you could use. Any knit. You could even do a woven, put a zipper down the back, but that's getting harder for this newbie. So right now we're just going to keep it knit, and it's just going to be simple, and it's just going to be fun. This is the easiest pattern possible. So for all of you within the sound of my voice, this is the easiest pattern possible. It happens to be a fit to stitch pattern. It happens to be a donation. When you donate to the show, 100% it's a non-profit. So that is a 501c and you get the tax deduction. So the goal is to have happy sewing. This pattern, this fabric, or any fabric, you know, the sequin fabric I have would be amazing. I already made a sequin top, so I decided not to do that, but I don't want to get sequins maybe a little harder to sew on. Any knit you have, it's fabulous. Woven, if you want to get a little harder, put a little invisible zipper in the back. That works great too. But the goal is, let's sew. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.